If you want to fix your banned Telegram number, start by opening the Telegram application. Once the app is open, you need to select your country from the list based on your location. After selecting your country, enter the number that has been banned in the provided field. Once you've entered your number, click on the Sign In option. After this, you will see a message saying, "Sorry, this number is banned." At this point, an option for help will appear on the screen. Simply click on it. Upon clicking, you will be redirected to the email section, where you can compose a message. At the end of the message, write a short explanation of your issue. Once you've completed writing, look at the top of the screen for the Send button and click on it. This email will be sent directly to Telegram's support team. They will review your account, and within 24 hours, you will receive an email from Telegram. The email will inform you why your account was banned, and, if possible, they will restore your account. If approved, your account should be reactivated within 24 hours.